Hey everybody, Brian here again from quantlabs.net. Just was going through the generator for report generating, automatically. Got me an idea when I saw this as part of the examples where you can compare XML files. I'll show that in a minute. But you can generate XML files from within XML, or you can from XML you can do an XML write of all your data and build your XML file. Now I'll show you why I consider doing this, but let me just show you the wait, what am I? Okay, so we want this right here. Okay, so this is the way to work with XML files within the Matlab environment. Very cool what you can do, but obviously you can just type out these two XML files. But the cool thing I like about it is this visual differentiation tool. I've got other tools that do this. Probably nothing exciting for most people, but you can see all the differences between your XML files. So it's kind of cool to have that embedded right into Matlab. Now, as I showed you with the XML write, this is pretty powerful because I'm finding more reasons to use SQL Server. And before I continue, I also mentioned about automation with the generator through these links here, so you can check out this blog post I just put up. There's also a video on it. But going back to this XML thing, when I look for let's say importing SQL Server, CSV, XML into SQL Server. There's some pretty powerful examples that you could use to bulk import, let's say, some trading analysis that you may have imported using all these different instructions that you can get from, obviously, Microsoft or MSDN or whatever you use. But it is possible. Now, for those that don't know about SQL Server, it's very powerful. It's getting fairly fast. I wouldn't say it, again, we're not about high frequency trading levels of speed here, but something that can be done in really quickly in a few seconds. Because with that, what it brings, you can run basically trading analysis or algorithms done in the background right on your SQL Server engine. For instance, moving averages, or I don't know, something like that, or some basic. You can write all that in TSQL. So that is very powerful, and then be able to use that for analysis again in maybe Matlab with the Database Explorer, which I've shown many demos of, or using what seems to be something that's growing very quickly is F# itself for further analysis. So you could use SQL Server is your backend repository, and I've shown demos of ways to do that, and I've got a schema in my membership under the elite area. I'll show you that in a minute if you want to see that. But there's some very powerful uses that can come out of this with SQL Server. Now, right now I'm using Postgres, which is fine if you want to use Mac or Linux. I'm pretty well, looks like I'm kind of committed to Windows. When I need speed up instant, like yesterday, yeah, of course I'll run server components for a Linux environment and worry about that down the line. But for now, with SQL Server, I'm more focused on productivity and ease of use. And these are just ideas running through my head. But now that I have the ability to generate XML reports and then import them into SQL Server and then feed them back to maybe some kind of execution system, like some kind of order management system or something like that. It's got some very powerful options. And again, I keep talking about F# as well as another area that I'm looking at. So with XML, this is very powerful. Anyways, hopefully you see the potential of that, and let me know what you think. Talk to you later.